Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Compulab Fanless SFF desktop PC with GeForce RTX 4060 and up to 300 watt passive cooling. So friends, the Compulab has announced 7.5-liter mini PC with 25 into 30 into 10 centimeter measurement, and this desktop computer is still a small form factor but not the typical 4 into 4 NUC size, and that's for sure. And the platform is equipped with LGA 1151 socket and support various processors including Intel Xeon E-2278GE and Intel Xeon E-2176G and Intel Core i9 990K processor and Intel Core i7 9700E and Intel Core i5 9500E and Intel Celeron G4900T. So friends, the CPU side is quite old, but seeking 125 990K support on the system is quite interestingly, and the company does not mention any GDP limitations on the system. So friend, the actually interesting, the discrete GPU used here, it is not a mobile variant but an actual desktop RTX 4060. That means 115 watt TDP out of the box, and unless the system is using some special TDP limiter, and this means that one side of the PC is solely dedicated to cooling down the GPU, and this is because both CPU and GPU are thermally coupled, the massive chamber with massive copper plates on its side. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.